Good morning students, myself Ajit Pratap Singh. Today in this video of class 6 science, students we will talk about what are the properties of different materials, okay? How would you describe an apple? You can talk about its size, shape, color, or about how it feels or smells, size, shape, color, texture, that is hard or soft, smooth or rough, and smell are properties of matter. All matter can be described by such properties, okay? So you can describe the matter by with the help of the properties, okay? The properties which I just mentioned to you. The properties of materials decide what the things we can make out of them. For example, we cannot make tools out of rubber as it is not hard. We cannot make cooking utensils out of wood as they will catch fire easily. Let's study some important properties of matter. First one is appearance, or how do they look like. Appearance meaning how do the different substances look like. Paper looks different from cloth, as we all know. Wood looks different from iron. Iron looks different from copper or aluminium. At the same time, there are some similarities also between iron, copper, and aluminium that are not there in wood or paper. Materials can be classified on the basis of their appearance, or how do they look like. Next one is luster. Whether they are having luster means whether they are having the sign or not. A metal spoon shines, whereas a wooden spoon does not shine so much because a metal has the property of luster. Silk cloth has a shine, and whereas woolen cloth does not shine because they are totally different because they are not having lustrous property. We say that metal has more luster than wood and the silk has more luster than wool. An iron rod may not appear lustrous. However, if you use sandpaper to remove the top layer of, you will see that it is lustrous, okay? So solids do not change shape or volume. Liquids change shape but not volume. Okay, students. So metals lose their luster when exposed to air and moisture. Materials can be classified on the basis of their luster. Next one is texture. Different materials feel different when you touch them, okay? That is, they have different textures. For example, metal is hard and smooth, whereas wool is soft and rough. Soft materials can be compressed or scratched easily. Hard materials are difficult to compress. Materials can be classified on the basis of their texture. Now we will talk about activity number 5. Close your eyes. Ask your friend to collect various materials like silk cloth, woolen cloth, metal spoon, wooden spoon, wooden spoon, glass tumbler, plastic tumbler, etc. Touch these with your eyes closed. Can you make out what material is each is made up of by touching? So that's it in